This food is wonderful. It serves the whole family and is very easy to prepare. In a bowl, I will add 750 grams of ground meat,
1 grated onion,
1 cup of breadcrumbs,
1 egg,
1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and I will mix these ingredients well. And today's special hug goes to Isabel Ávila Silva from Colombia. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Next, I will place this mixture on a plastic wrap and spread it well to form a rectangle. On top, I will place 3 hard-boiled eggs. And on this side, I will place a mixture of carrots, potatoes, and peas.
I am going to wrap the meat like this.
Prepare this ground meat recipe at home. Everyone will surely love it. I will take it to the freezer for at least 1 hour.
Now I'm going to grease a glass casserole with oil.
I will place the meat here and cover it with a bit of oil. I will also grate an egg white.
I will take it to the preheated oven at 180 degrees for 50 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make a sauce. In a pan, I will add a splash of oil.
2 tablespoons of tomato paste, a grated tomato,
half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, and I will mix it well. Next, I will add half a cup of water and bring it to a boil. As soon as it starts boiling, I will turn off the heat.
And I am going to pour the tomato sauce over the meat that was cooking.
And our recipe is ready. Look how delicious it turned out. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you very much for watching this video until now. See you in the next video. Goodbye.